There's a great and a bloody fight round this whole world tonight. In the battle of bombs and shrapnel rain, Hitler told the world around he would tear our union down. But our union's gonna break them slavery chains. And our union's gonna break them slavery chains. I walked up on a mountain in the middle of the sky, could see every farm and every town. I could see all the people in this whole wide world. That's the union that'll tear the fascists down, down, down. That's the union that'll tear the fascists down. When I think of the men and the ships going down while the Russians fight on across the Don, there's London in ruins and Paris in chains. Good people, what are we waiting on? Good people, what are we waiting on? So I thank the Soviets and the mighty Chinese vets, the Allies, the whole wide world around. To the battling British, thanks, you can have 10 million Yanks if it takes them to tear the fascists down, down, down. If it takes them to tear the fascists down. But when I think of the ships and the men going down and the Russians fight on across the Don, there's London in ruins and Paris in chains. Good people, what are we waiting on? Good people, what are we waiting on? So I thank the Soviets and the mighty Chinese vets, the Allies, the whole wide world around. To the battling British, thanks, you can have 10 million Yanks if it takes them to tear the fascists down, down, down. If it takes them to tear the fascists down.
About my best friend, a warm-hearted person who loves me till the end. People, let me tell you about my best friend, a one-boy cuddly toy, my up, my down, my joy. People, let me tell you about me, so much fun, whether we're talking man to man or whether we're talking son to son. He's my best friend, Larry Bird. He's my best. That was crazy.
Dude, that looks like my poop.
TV party tonight! TV party tonight! TV party tonight! TV party tonight! We're gonna have a TV party tonight! Alright! We're gonna have a TV party, alright! Tonight! We've got nothing better to do. Let's watch TV and have a couple of brews. Everybody's gonna hang out here tonight. Alright! We'll pass out on the couch. Alright! Tonight! We got nothing better to do than watch TV and have a couple of brews. Don't talk about anything else. We don't wanna know. We're dedicated to our favorite shows! That's incredible! History Blues! Dallas! Friday! You stick glued to the TV set all night! And every night! Why go into the outside world at all? It's such a fright! We've got nothing better to do. Let's watch TV and have a couple of brews. TV news shows what it's like out there. It's a scare. You can go out if you want. We wouldn't care. We got nothing better to do. Let's watch TV and have a couple of brews. Don't talk about anything else. We don't want to know. We're dedicated to our favorite shows! Saturday Night Live! Monday Night Football! Jefferson! TV for a day. Or even a minute. Don't even bother to use my brain anymore. There's nothing left in it. We've got nothing better to do than watch TV and have a couple of brews. Hey, wait a minute. My TV doesn't work. It's broken. What are we gonna do tonight? This isn't fair. Right away. We've got nothing left to do. Just no TV and just a couple of brews. What are we gonna talk about? I don't know. We're gonna miss our favorite shows. No, that's incredible. No, Monday Night Football. No, Jefferson. No, Friday. No TV party.
I think this is the end of this episode. We'll meet you in the next one. Sayonara. Bienvenidos.